Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to register on the Bitget mobile app and complete the authentication setup. Let's begin right away. First, I'll guide you through creating a Bitget account. Please download the Bitget application on your smartphone. After the download is complete, launch the Bitget application. To proceed with registration, tap on Get Started. You may sign up using either your email address or your mobile number. Next, select the field for entering a referral code. By entering the referral code *3, you will receive a 50% trading fee discount, 20% cashback, and additional promotional rewards. Now, make sure to agree to all required terms and conditions. For the second agreement, scroll down to review the full content. Then tap Next. Follow the pattern shown in the icons located at the top left corner. Then select the matching images shown on the screen. A verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone number. Enter the verification code you received. Next, create a secure password for your account. Your password should include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and must be at least 8 characters long. After completing all the steps, your account will be successfully created. Second, let's proceed to the identity verification step. Identity verification is required for deposits, withdrawals, and trading on Bitget. So please be sure to complete this process. Tap the Verify button located at the center of the screen. Then tap Verify Now once again. First, select your nationality. After that, choose the country or region where you currently reside. Next, pick the type of identification document you will submit. From the available options, select the ID you currently possess. For this example, I will choose a passport. Prepare your ID and tap I'm ready. To upload your document, tap Take a picture. Align the information page of your passport within the frame. Next, continue with facial recognition to verify your identity. Position your face within the camera frame. Then follow the on-screen instructions, such as nodding or blinking. Once all steps are completed, the identity verification will be finished. The review process typically takes up to 1 hour. Once approved, your account status will be displayed as verified. Third, we will set up Google Authenticator to enhance your account security. Return to the main home screen. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon located in the top right corner. To access security settings, open the Security section. From the list, select Google Authenticator. A prompt will appear asking you to install the Google Authenticator app. Install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Once the installation is finished, tap Next in the Bitget application. The Google Authenticator setup page will then appear. On this page, you will see a 16-digit setup key for Bitget. First, copy this 16-digit key. Next, open the Google Authenticator application. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose Enter as setup key. For the code name, enter Bitget. After that, paste the copied key into the Your Key field. Tap Add to proceed. A 6-digit verification code labeled Bitget will now be generated. Copy this 6-digit verification code. Then go back to the Bitget application. Enter the code into the Google Authenticator verification field. Once the code is successfully verified, the setup will be complete. Today, we covered how to sign up and configure authentication using the latest 2026 version of the Bitget mobile app. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching.